Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. Me and my friends are here to present our Java mini project, the Smart Expense Manager. The Smart Expense Manager is a Java desktop app that helps user record and manage their daily expenses. It shows spending through chats, gives a total overview and keeps data safe with secure login and encrypted passwords. Users can quickly add expenses, edit records and understand their spending habits easily. Track expenses. Users can record every rupee they spend. Example, if you brought groceries for 500, you can enter groceries 500. Manage records. Users can update or delete old entries if they made a mistake. Example, if you typed 100 instead of 1000 by mistake, you can edit it easily. Visual insights. The system shows pie charts of spending categories. Example, if you spent 40% on food and 20% on travel, the pie chart shows it clearly. Total spending overview. Users can instantly see how much they spend this month. Example, if your total monthly spending is 12,000, it appears at the top of the dashboard. Secure access login and management. Since this app deals with personal financial information, security is very important. The system has login, registration, and strong password protection. User authentication. Only registered users can access the data. Example, if someone else uses the app, they can't see your expenses unless they log in with your username and password. Default admin account. An admin account is available initially for setup and testing. Example, admin can check the system like verifying if data is saving properly. Robust password security. All passwords are encrypted before storing. Example, even if someone opens the database file, the password looks like a long scrambled code, not readable text. From here, my friend will take over.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek. Effortless expense entry, capturing your spending. Description: a brief, clean explanation of the expense such as groceries or monthly rent. This helps you quickly identify the nature of the transaction later. Amount: the exact monetary values of the expense. The system handles numerical input, ensuring a precise tracking of your spending. Category: assign a category to each expense like food, transportations, or entertainment. Categorization is fundamentally for generating insightful reports and understanding spending patterns. The date the expense occurred, formatted as, for example, December 5, 2025. This allows a chronology tracking and analyze over time. The next slide. Managing your records, deleting and viewing expense. Streamline deletion. A smart expense manager makes it easy to remove mistakes or outdated entries. In the main list of expense, click on the specific entry you want to remove to select it. Detailed viewing. In that table is an listing. All your recorded expenses are shown in a clean, sortable list. This makes it easy to quick scan through your financial histories. Double click for details. If you want to see all information about a single expense, simply double click on the entry. A small window will open showing all the details in an organized way. The next slide. Instant financial overview, total spending and visualization. In that total spending display, a single number that showing your total accumulated spending right now. This number updates instant every time you add or delete an expense. It gives you an immediate up-to-date look at your overall financial commitment, usually placed clear at the bottom of the screen. Dynamic pie chart, a powerful interactive pie chart that breaks down your spending. It runs your raw financial data into a picture where each slice represents a different expense or category and is in give unique color. This visualization helps you instantaneously see where most of your money is going, make it easier to quickly understand your spending habits and make smart budgeting decision. The next slide will explain, my friend.
Hi, my name is Adityam. I am going to explain the inheritance user experience dark mode for comfort. Understanding the user comfort and performance plays a significant role in daily applications. During the extended period, use on low-high conditions, light mode, the default script inheritance and bring with the environment. Next slide. Dark mode. The strict investors scheme with dark backgrounds and light extended and release data experience your record are safe. The crucial aspects many financial management to in the reliable in its data storage and the meaning you have confidence to track your experience knowing the your data there way exactly you left it. Experience storage and user data storage. Next slide. Smart experience manage workflow. In the smart experience manage workflow, there are some points logical registration, add experience, view total spending, visualize with characters, delete needed automated data, save. And the next slide, powering your financial futures. The smart expenses manages more than tracking applications. Its goal designing bring clarity, control and peace mind your personal financial. Whenever you have seasonal budget or just starting your financial journey, this application provides robust features and like etc. And the last one is the key takeaways, comprehensive expense track and management, secure user authentication with SH256 password and automated and presented data storage in CSE.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Ravi from EC1. Today I am going to explain about how the Smart Expense Manager project runs. The purpose of this project is to help user track their daily expenses in a simple and organized way. Now I am going to run this code. First, the user has to register their account. So I am going to register the account. Now the registration is successful. Now we should log in. As we can see, this is a dashboard which we will use in the to implement the project. First, here is the description box in which we have to enter the expense in which we are investing. Now I am going to enter the description and I am going to enter the amount. Now I am going to enter the category in which it belongs and I am going to add it. Now we can add many of them like shopping and further etc. As we can see in the screen, it displays the description, amount, category, and date in which we used to add. And here is the small pie chart which represents the amount we have expended. Now further, my friend Aditya will continue.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya CS from 3CSE01. Today I am going to explain about Smart Expense Manager. We have added many features in this. For example, the dark mode and light mode. We can switch between them. This is for the better visual experience of the user. We can also add multiple description and categories so that the user can add multiple categories in which they spend the amount, and we can also delete the response uh, uh, when we add a expense by mistake. And one of the key highlights of this web page is the pie chart analysis. Each expense category is shown in a colored slice, so the user can easily understand where they are spending the money. This makes financial tracking clear and visually appealing. We uh, Also, all the expenses are saved permanently in a CSV file, and the date format is maintained in a day, month, and year format. Overall, this project demonstrates the practical use of OOP file handling and GUI called the Sling. Uh, Visualize build a useful expense manager tracker. Thank you.